Okay, we got the face off for how we want it. So what we want to do now, I'm going to take this back off. We got to take some of this out in here so our spring won't catch when we attach it to the top of the head. And what we want to do is we got to take some of this out in here so our string doesn't catch when we put our string in. So we're going to work on that. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you got any questions or comments, be sure to make a comment and I will get back with you. See, we're taking this out here. We'll do a little bit on the sides here because we want our string not to catch on any of this in here to slow our string movement down. Thanks for watching.